I bet the Glock a freezing nigga like I'm Johnny Dang. She say I never get the picture, crop her out the frame. Got extensions, let me measure how the nigga brain. Diamonds hitting like some water even when it rain. Bet that Glock a freezing nigga Johnny Dang. She said she never get the picture.
What's good? So we are back. Sorry, I got a little cold, nigga. It ain't COVID. Chill the fuck out. As you see over there, I got a little something in the back of the Duramax. My tennis balls broke. My bad. In case y'all wanted to know, I don't know how long the whip is. I just got it from a truck stop. My buddy got it for me. I just wanted it. So I don't know what y'all want me to do. I just cleaned off this truck. I went mud bogging out in the driveway a little bit because it got a little rainy because of that hurricane and shit that came through. But yeah, this is she ain't changed at all since the last video. Duramax got dirty, but as my OG subscribers know, I've been in the Honda game for a little while, and I stepped out of it when I totaled my hatch. So this is the motor I will be using for my build. So there's a little backstory behind this. So I have a lot of race car parts that I had planned on building me a drag car for next year, but ended up getting rid of some of those parts. I do have some of the parts left. I have a built head with cams and everything, so I'm gonna throw a whole high compression all motor block together, put it in a little Honda, because we're all getting cars and stuff to add more content, and of course, you know, have something else to do besides the trucks and shit all the time. I'm going to be driving this truck tomorrow just to, you know, get a little last ride in or whatever, and then she'll be going under construction. And these are for sale or trade, 3200, or you can trade me some 6s and 7s. Let me go ahead and get to tearing this block apart. I might put you on time lapse maybe if you guys want to see it. If not, skip through it. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and knock this shit out and be done.
Hope I don't crash, swerving through these lanes. I ain't worried about these nigga, man, these nigga lame. My mama, she told me that she hope I learn a lesson. I've been taking losses, baby, turn it to a blessing. My mama almost lost me, had an emergency C-section. I'm trying to get money, baby, VIP my section. That nigga, he talking, he so cheap, he Smith & Wesson. I been getting money, fly my bitch out to the west. That nigga, he mad because my dope it beat the.
So got the head removed, all that shit's back there. Just inspecting all the cylinder walls and everything looks pretty good. We'll pick back up tomorrow. So under the knife again, gonna get the Cognito painted. Got everything stripped out on this side, got it as high as I can get it for now. About to get everything cleaned up in here and get it painted up, that way everything looks even. Gonna clean up the fender liners and everything, and then probably do the rock lights while I'm doing this. Still gotta do this side. I'll probably go ahead and start knocking some of this stuff out. Probably won't get it done till tomorrow, so not really worried about it. I'm trying to just get the control arm out because I'm probably gonna paint those. But other than that, this is pretty much all I got going right now. Should be getting off the setup soon. Gonna clean them up and try to get some 37s because this lift ain't gonna look good with 35s. So selling these, and yeah, this is just where I'm at right now, kind of playing with time. It'll be dark, real dark, in about 15-20 minutes, so I'm gonna try to knock this shit out. So let's go. So yeah, this happened. So got the whole front end torn apart. This is 2 days after the last video clip. Yesterday it was cold as fuck. Got the wheels off, everything's off, and got everything kind of cleaned up in here. It's drying up right now. I'm washing it a little bit. Got the frame painted where it was kind of, I don't know what it was that they have from factory that they put on this fucking frame, but that shit is trash, G. So I had to take a wire wheel and get all that little bullshit off, but everything's looking pretty good. So about to go trade these wheels. I gotta get fender liners, and I gotta go get the trim clips or trim pieces that go on the fender, just from where that's been scrubbed and rubbed. But everything's all good right now. You see got the caddy reps loaded up in the Duramax. About to drive about 45 minutes and go and let these bitches go. So about to go ahead and do that, and getting my struts taken care of right now. That's something that I do not encourage anybody to do unless you have a true shop spring compressor, because that shit is dangerous. But I'm about to ride, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right, so didn't have my GoPro, and I'm getting a little sinus infection, but got everything painted. Gonna throw the clear coat and the flake on it tomorrow, and it'll be right. It'll be ready to go. Here's my flake right here. Shout out to Tropical Glitz. It's their platinum flake. Go check them out. It's just a waiting game now. So, yeah. I'll update y'all guys probably tomorrow or Sunday once I get everything dried up and good to go. And that'll be probably the first video, just getting all this shit together, getting everything prepared. And then the next video will be me installing it. Then the video after that will be the finished product. So y'all stay tuned. We're about to go crazy. So I'm gonna update y'all on what's going on. And if y'all ain't know, been in the Honda game for a minute. This is my uncle's J Series Civic. Something for y'all to look at. But boom. So at my uncle's buddy's house right now, and everything is painted up and ready to go. Everything looks real good. I was trying to show y'all a little bit, but all I had was my phone at the time, so you can kind of see how she's looking. And then here goes the rest of the stuff. So we got a little bit of flake in there. I'll have to show you a little bit. See if you can, yeah, you can see it a little bit here. But yeah, here's everything. Just waiting on it to dry. Hit it with a fresh coat of clear. Everything's kind of dried up a little bit, so I'm gonna let it sit for a couple more hours, and then I will come back and grab all this shit, and then we'll take it home. I'm supposed to be getting my setup possibly tomorrow or Tuesday, so just gonna knock that out and you know, just see what I can do. That'll probably be the end of the video. It's not too much going, you know, right now, because I wanted to prep the lift kit and paint it and shit. But the next video will be basically me installing it and the reveal of it. Yeah, we'll see what happens, bro. I think I might have to go get some blocks or something to put in the back of that damn thing. Just keep your notifications on for this week, because it's gonna get crazy. But I'll check y'all out. Appreciate y'all watching. Like I said, once again, like, subscribe, share, all that shit, and follow me on Instagram. But hey, we about to be tall, baby.